Good morning, children. Welcome to today's session of class 12th chemistry. The topic for today is crystal lattice and unit cell from the chapter solid state. What is crystal lattice? The three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particle is called as crystal lattice, or you can define crystal lattice as a regular three-dimensional arrangement of points in space. This is also called as crystal lattice. Now let us take the parameters of unit cell. You already know what is a unit cell. Now consider this unit cell. This is a unit cell, right? Now what are their parameters? A, B, C, its dimension along the edges. They may or may not be mutually perpendicular. A, B and this C. Second, the angle between them. Alpha is the angle between C and B. Alpha is the angle between C and B. Then beta. Beta is the angle between A and C. Gamma is the angle between A and B. A and B. So these are the different angles: alpha, beta and gamma. These are the different angles. Now let us come to the unit cell. Let us take a look at a unit cell. This is a unit cell, and see, you can see this unit cell in my hand also. Let us count the number of corners here. Let us count the number of corners here. Now you can see number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 corners. These are called as the corners. 8 corners of this unit cell. Now this is called as the edge. What is this? This is called as the edge. This is the edge. This is the corner. The center of the edge is called as edge center. What is it called as? Edge center. Then you come to the face. These are the face of the unit cell. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces does it have? 6. Faces are 6. Corners 8. Okay. So this is the face. Like you can, this is a face. And this is the face center. This is the face center. And then within the center of the unit cell, this is body center. What is it called as? Body center. So now you know that a unit cell has got 8 corners, 6 faces. This is the edge. This is the edge center. This is the face. This is the face center. And this is the body center. Now the unit cell, it is of 2 types. Unit cell, it is of 2 types. What are the 2 types? Primitive unit cell and centered unit cell. centered unit cell. What is a primitive unit cell? When the constituent particles are present only at the 8 corners. When the constituent particles are present only at the corners, it is called as primitive unit cell. Constituent particles are present only at the corners. Now, what is a centered unit cell? When the constituent particles are present at other position. Constituent particles are present at other positions along with the corners are called centered unit cell. They are called as centered unit cell. So, if they are present at the corners, like here 8 corners, then it is called as a primitive unit cell. But if they are present at the other positions, like it may be a face, it may be a body. If it is present in other positions, then it is called as a centered unit cell. See, you can have a look here in this cube. If the constituent particles, if they are present only at the corners, see these are the corners, then it is called as a primitive unit cell. And if they are present at the other positions along with the corners, then you can say it is a centered unit cell. Like if the constituent particles are also present on the face here or in this face, then you can say it is a centered unit cell. Now, this centered unit cell, it is again divided into body centered, face centered and end centered. Now, what is this body centered unit cell? Body centered unit cell. If in a unit cell, if the constituent particles are present at the corners and one it is present in the body, then it is called as body centered unit cell. Second is face centered. If the constituent particles are present at the corners and in the faces means the 6 faces, if they are present, if the particles are present there, then it is called as face centered unit cell. Now, third, end centered. Third is end centered unit cell. What is this end centered unit cell? In such a unit cell, one constituent particles is present at the center of any 2 opposite faces between the ones present at the corners. So, any 2 opposite ends, at the corners it will be there, and any 2 opposite ends, if the constituent particles are present, then it is called as a end-centered unit cell. So, children, today we studied about what is a crystal lattice, what are the parameters of the unit cell, the angle between them, A, B and alpha, beta and gamma, and then the types of unit cell, the primitive unit cell, the centered unit cell and their types. So, this is all for today and we'll meet again in the next class. Okay, thank